Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Amanote in your course. As you can see, I have file and URL. I've already added the file and URL to my course, and if I turn editing mode on, let's see, we cannot see Amanote icon here, but if I turn it off, you can see Amanote icon next to the file or URL. As student, if I change my role, for example student, if I click on Amanote, I can open it or I can download it. But if I change my role again as a teacher, if I click on Amanote, I can open it, I can download it, I can see students' engagement, it shows analytics, and I can open podcast creator. Let's see what we can find here. Open in Amanote. This is a PDF I've added to the course, and through Amanote students can interact, can give their comments, can if you want to ask questions, students can answer your question. If they have problem or have question, again they can ask their own question. For example, for EFL students, if they have problem with some words, they can make notes, and as you can see here, notes, and they can make notes, and here they can collaborate together and write their question, their comments. And as you can see above the text, it shows time recorder. If they want to highlight the text, for example red, they can change the size, they can make it bigger or smaller. And then, for example, I want to highlight a word, so it shows highlighting. If they want to draw something, blue, so they can draw it like this. And if they want to give different comments, and they want to give numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, or maybe they like to give their comments about different paragraphs. So for the first one, they can write notes. For second, for third, they can write different notes. Or if they want to add something to the text, add a note to the text, they can add it here, or they can delete it like this. For collaborate, also they can write their question, they can give their comments and share it with others. Then they need to save. They can export it, they can view it, they can maximize PDF, they can zoom in, zoom out, enable dragging, Also, it shows the summary here. Thank you so much.